Hi.
Hi,
What's oh I like your hairstyle.
mine.
Yes. But
Thank you.
the other one isn't really bad. So different style, different looking. So beautiful.
It's early.
Exactly.
How
What
yeah,
if
but
Mhm.
you wanna? I have a PR package.
Okay.
And where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Okay. So we send so many people PR package about our product or no new
Okay.
product,
hmm
and it's called Vicks Vibe Coffee, and we send it to many people so they can try it and they can give a feed about it, and we want to ask ask you if you want to try it.
Definitely. I would really love to try this one and very appreciate you if you send it for me to the Bangladesh.
Yeah, we could do it if you want to try. Yes.
Really, but I would like to send something if you do this because you are showing me your kindness. So why not? I will show you also the kindness.
Yes. So it's really nice. Yes, but we send it completely free without money. So you don't need to
Ah,
sell it.
okay,
You don't need
okay.
to
But
pay anything.
what kind of ingredient have been used to make this stuff, to make this coffee as well?
This
Yeah.
okay. So it's really natural.
hmm
National. Wait, I
hmm
don't. I can't say it. So
Okay.
it's with I don't. It's a special ingredient from Turkey.
hmm
Alter.
No, it's okay.
My mom and my dad made made it.
Okay.
Warte, ich kann kein Englisch. Hör mal auf. My mom
Okay.
and my dad make it when they were 20s, in their 20s, and it's called Wixe.
Pretty good. Do you sell this to your market or you just do
Yeah,
this
yeah,
kind of
I have a fully market with my products, and it's pretty, wie sagt man da, famous
Mhm.
in Germany. Yeah. Yeah, and we want to expand the brand to like international countries. Yes.
Oh, okay, I got you. So if you just send just a sample for me to the Bangladesh and I can really spread out this product in my country, I hope your your product will be popularity very soon.
Yes.
Mhm.
So we also have a website where you can buy things from our
Okay.
shop,
Okay.
and it's I
How
I
much?
can wait.
Okay, so I would like to be your coordinator as a Bangladeshi. And I see, what can I see on the camera right there? So it's pretty cool, very refreshing. If anybody really try to eat this, try to drink this one, I hope they would be able to keep fit their body as well. So pretty cool. I see that.
Yeah. So I
Okay.
can write the wie heißt das nochmal? Shop name. Yeah, shop name on the website, so you can also also look.
Okay, I see.